Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the prerequisites: VSCode node, JS, and an API key for the model you plan to use. Once confirmed, create and open a project folder in VSCode and initialize npm with npm init. Then install essential packages, an HTTP client, DOTN for secrets, and the SDK for your chosen model so you can connect securely. Make sure to create a env file now and never commit keys. This keeps credentials safe as you continue building. Now implement the Assistant core. Organize source folders for commands, prompts, and state management because modularity prevents mess. You will code an API client that wraps authentication and requests, then create prompt templates and a lightweight conversation store to manage context. Once done, expose a user interface, either a VS Code extension panel or a CLI command, so users can send messages. Make sure to handle async flows, back off retries, and parse responses into actionable items. Finish by adding tests and end-to-end checks so you validate prompts and editor interactions. Mock the API to avoid quota blowouts. Build and package the extension or add NPM scripts for a local dev loop, then test common workflows in a fresh workspace. If something breaks, enable verbose logging and inspect the request and response payloads, headers, and status codes. This reveals auth, rate limit, or prompt format issues. Once fixed, iterate on prompts and error handling to harden reliability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.